Good morning, everyone. I will now show you how to locate the recording ribbon on your PowerPoint menus here if it does not appear automatically. So you do this after you have completed designing the slides and place the content, and you have added the animations of each slide. So to locate the recording ribbon, you go to File, Options, click Customize Ribbon. Here you have two choices. Here are the commands, and these are the customize. So you choose the table here, the right table, and then slide down the slider and then look for the recording. So here it is below View, and then you check that box and then click OK. So as you can see, the recording button appear. To start recording, you click that ribbon, and then it's either you click record from the current slide or record from the beginning. So since my slide is empty, it's let's start with the current slide. Okay, so this will appear as your interface. You have here the buttons. It's either you can you have here the pen, the highlighter, you can write, and then it's either you can add, if you want, at the right button, it's either here, this is microphone. If you uncheck this, it means, if you uncheck that one, it means your microphone is off. And this one, the camera is off, so it means, so if you uncheck this, I will appear. So let's remove that one. So that's how you start recording, and then you just click for the next slide, and then afterwards you stop recording. So that one, so it will play. So that's it, how you going to locate and use the recording menu.